my bagels. It is your neighborhoodly friend, Cool Pup, and I hope my microphone is okay. You may have heard it. Okay, I'm starting to sound like, I don't know, but just stand me here, subscribe, comment your username to join my giveaway of this masterpiece. And then, I took it off trade. This masterpiece. I'm trying to sponsor myself out, but literally, like, nobody, hear me out here. Nobody will subscribe to me. I mean, I asked to do a collab with Shop Queen, my good friend, Shop Queen. Anyway, I will be recording, I can't talk right, recording, while she's doing her live stream tonight. Wow, my mouse is just flashing crazy. Anyways, I hope you guys like my new intro. It's from Invort AJ, or however you say that. She didn't make it specifically for me. It was just like a free intro thing. Anyways, I bought this new den. It's not a preview den, but I don't know. I was wondering if you guys wanted me, if I am going to be collabing with Shop Queen, what should we do? And yeah, I know I only have a few subscribers, but it's because I need to get noticed. Notice me. Yeah. I'm gonna ask some people to maybe come to my den to get a shout out. I'm recording. I've had so many problems with my audio in the past that I think you guys can hear me. I won't be posting this if you can't hear me, because yeah, is it like some weird reason if you say you're recording, people will go in your den? Okay, guys, we're gonna go find this person in my den and see. Hi. It's like all these non-members. Shout out to More16 for coming to my den. He looks like a new jammer, but shout out to him. Maybe go buddy him. I don't know. Just you got a shout out. You got a shout. Ouch. And he now deserves. Okay, I'll come in your den then. What happened to your eyes? Okay, thank gosh. They're back. That was so creepy. I need something interesting to do in a video, like a skit. I need my audio to get worked out. And guys, I'm going to be ordering an Animal Jam box the next time someone comes out, because I watched Pepper open one and it just wasn't interesting. Wasn't that interesting? It was like shirt, hat. And really the only thing was interesting that I would want in that box was the Animal Jam code, but I will be getting the next one, and I will get shipped my box every next 3 months. And yeah, I will make sure. Yes, I do like your den. Well, I better go do something interesting. Go get give away. And what I'm going to be doing is who is at my den? Okay, just calm down, cool pup. I guess I could give away a short spike wrist for this, because I think this is about worth this short spike wrist, and I could, well, it says, oh, she's on. Please buddy me. Remember me, please. You did me some of your fabulous art. Well, I'm trying to get you guys some items, and I know I probably shouldn't be doing this on camera specifically. But, I think the art is worth a little bit less than a short spike wrist. My den, if deal. I probably shouldn't be really doing trading. I need something interesting to do, but usually Wisteria Moon and them, they just review the daily journal stuff, and I've just always been tempted to use the webcam, but I can't get it to work correctly. I'm using Screen-O-Matic, if you can't tell from the watermark I usually have in the corner. Also my screen is a bit bigger today, but wow, such gorgeous art right there. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Coral Canyons and try to get some items for this darn stinking. Oh. Yeah, come. I have a limit of 15 minutes, so. Okay, thank you. She's right here. I do. It's actually around. Oh gosh, I like this music. You can't hear it. Because, yeah. But, I'm glitching out so bad. Look at my mouse. Dancing to the music. Oh gosh, why? Why has the world cursed me to this? Wait. Then, what's it offering? I'm looking for maybe like a spike. Nobody heard that. My mouse really my whatever you call it really likes this song. I'm gonna have to refresh after this, or I'm gonna be glitching to death. I mean, look at my mouse. It was liking the music from the start. You guys can't hear the music. I'll give you a little peek of it. Okay, guys. What happened? My music is all gone. Okay, guys. Sorry. Okay, it's back. Sorry. I'm